your ultimate kids learning destination. Hey there, little brainiacs. Welcome to KOOL Creative Mingle. Let's dive into bird names. Part 1. A is for Albatross. A is for Albatross. 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 B is for Blue Jay. B is for Blue Jay. Blue Jay. Blue Jay. C is for Cardinal. C is for Cardinal. 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 D is for Dove. D is for Dove. 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 E is for Eagle. E is for Eagle. 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 F is for Falcon. F is for Falcon. 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 G is for Goldfinch. G is for Goldfinch. 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 H is for Hawk. H is for Hawk. 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 Let's say it together. Albatross. Blue Jay. Cardinal. Dove. Eagle. Falcon. Goldfinch. Hawk. To continue, please watch the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.